Good morning. This judgment I am going to discuss with you. You are not supposed to confuse with the judgment. You have to carefully understand the judgment. This is AR 2023 Chhattisgarh 6. AR 2023 Chhattisgarh 6. Mandeep Singh Bamra versus Harbhajan Kaur Bamra. This case seems to have been aroused at Durg, where I spent about 2.5 years as a government servant, and the name Bamra is also familiar to me because one Bamra was my classmate because I reached college very early. College commences only 6 p.m. My office work closes by 5 p.m. So I immediately from there by cycle I reach within 10 minutes. So this girl was alone where she was sitting, and I tried to interact with her. That resulted, I was moved to ground and threatened by some young lawyers. But however, after understanding that I have some language problem, they just warned me, and subsequently all became my friends. That is for my past history reminding. Here, what had happened? They seems to have filed suit, family arrangement. So they filed an application under Order 23, Rule 3 CPC. Order 23, Rule 3 CPC, by settling the issues on compromise, and that was therefore the court ought to have decreed that, but because some administrative instructions and direction, the court forwarded to National Local Adalat, and now National Local Adalat settled the issue. This is where they are claiming that the matters are being settled, as if they are straining to settle the issues. Here is the case. It was not their strain to settle the issue. Matter was already settled. The court, instead of passing degree, they have forwarded to Lok Adalat. The Lok Adalat passed a compromise award. Thereafter, the court has no locus standi to interfere with the award except endorsing the award, because according to Arbitration Conciliation Act, all the degree passed by the Lok Adalat, permanent Lok Adalat, and mediation conciliations are deemed degrees. Deemed degree means degree is being passed by the civil court, and these awards are called as deemed degree. But unfortunately, the court has passed an order stating that this degree should be registered, then only it will have effect. That was went to Chhattisgarh High Court. Chhattisgarh High Court at Bilaspur. So they said no, it is not necessary. Held award passed by Lok Adalat is deemed to be degree of court and cannot be contingent upon further act of registration of degree. That judgment is over. You have to understand only this proposition, Order 23, Rule 3, and Lok Adalat, what is mediation, what is conciliation, what is Lok Adalat, what is permanent Lok Adalat. That I will come to you later on. But so far, Registration Act 17(1) is concerned. Some 17 says certain document deeds should be registered compulsorily. Certain documents is not compulsory, optional. Deemed degrees are and other orders have a valid of effective relief. You can you may apply for registration. But here you understand that unless and until you register it, here don't go with the judgment. You register the degrees or deemed degrees or award, there will not be encumbrance about your subsequent title by degree. So you must register it, and there is a time limit for registering the degree, and the Supreme Courts time to time, all the high courts including Supreme Court said that the delay may be condoned. So you must understand the judgment in two categories. Number one, award passed by Lok Adalat need not be registered. But however, according to me, unless and until you register the deed, you cannot mutate certain records because of the encumbrance will show different name titles. If you register the degree, then your name will be there on encumbrance certificate. I hope you understand. Best wishes.